If you're seeing imessage not delivered on your iPhone after updating to iOS 18, you're not alone. Many users are facing this issue, but don't worry, there are several fixes you can try. In this video, we'll cover 6 effective solutions to get your imessage working again. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why is your imessage not being delivered on iPhone? Possible causes include imessage server issues, unstable internet connection, software glitch in the app, recipient turned off imessage, being blocked by the recipient, network settings affecting imessage. Part 2. How to fix the imessage not delivered error 6 ways. 1. Turn imessage off and on. Open the Settings app, tap Messages, and turn off imessage. Wait a few moments, then turn imessage back on. 2. Enable Send as SMS. Open the Settings app and go to Messages. Switch to Send as SMS. 3. Sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. Go to Settings, tap your profile, select Sign out, enter your password, and confirm. Then, sign back in and wait for imessage to reactivate. 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, go to General, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then tap Reset network settings. 5. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8 Plus. Press volume up, down, then hold side until Apple logo. iPhone 7 Plus. Hold volume down plus side until Apple logo. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier. Hold home plus side until Apple logo. 6. Use iPhone System Problem Repair Tool. If the above methods don't work, try iOS System Recovery. Trusted by millions, it quickly fixes imessage sending issues on iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Step 1. Opt for the iOS System Recovery module. Download and install iOS System Recovery on your computer. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer using a USB cable. Launch the program and select More Tools, iOS System Recovery from the main menu. Step 2. Choose Standard Mode. Follow the on-screen instructions and select Standard Mode to fix the problem. Without risking data loss, click Confirm to begin the process. Step 3. Confirm your iPhone info. Confirm your phone details, then iOS System Recovery will download the correct firmware. Step 4. Fix imessage not delivered issue now. Wait for the download, restart your device, and try imessage again. The issue should be fixed. Bonus tip: how to recover deleted messages on iPhone. Messages may be lost due to crashes, water damage, or deletion. If no backup, try Mobican Doctor for iOS. It recovers deleted messages directly from your device, or iTunes or iCloud backups without erasing existing data. Step 1. Download and install Doctor for iOS on your computer. Launch the program and connect your iPhone, iPad, or iPod. On the main interface, select Recover from iOS device. Step 2. Select Messages and click the Start Scan button. The tool will scan your device for lost messages. Step 3. Once the scan is complete, preview the found messages. Select the ones you want to recover and click Recover to Computer. Your messages will be restored in a matter of minutes.